Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you a little bit about the Gishmo Ads Intel application and what it could do for you. So here we're on a screen share. I'm on my browser and this is Gishmo's Ads Intel dashboard just shown in my browser. I have filtered it, these are all the jobs that have been run, filtered them down to ones that have home in the name or in the job name here. We're going to take a look at this one, Home Builders Phoenix. We'll dive into that one. Here you can see how these jobs are run. Basically, this program is polling Google, and it's finding who is bidding on the keywords we give it and in the area that we give it. This one happens to be, we'll look at Phoenix, and then it's pulling back that data. So let's take a look. The first thing we're going to see here is kind of a heat map of how many ads were found in a given time zone. So this would be the 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Look, here's the darker colors have more ads. Here's 16. Let's take a look at these. So now you can see the actual ad copy. You have the title that was their title of their ad. Here you have the advertiser, so you can see who the bidder is, who's bidding. A little bit of the content. The first thing in green down here, that's the keyword, home builder near me. And then of course we're in Phoenix in the Mountain Time Zone. Scroll down and take a look at a few more of these ads. You can see the bidder. If you could click on these and actually go to their landing page, but let's not do that right now. So there's that one component. Let's close that out. Now there's a couple of looks here. There's a table look and there's a chart look. Let's look at the chart. With the chart, you find here on the left competitor depth report. These are the keywords that were put in here. Build custom home near me, home builder near me, and then the relative strength is how many bidders bid on that keyword. So build custom home near me had the most with 18. The next one was home builder near me, they had 14. Here's some opportunity keywords, custom mansion builder and best quality home builders. See how only a few people are bidding on these terms. Custom home builder near me, only 3 people bid on that out of all these bidders. Over here is the competitor strength report. This lists the actual bidders, who the advertisers are, and you can get a feel right away by looking at this as who the real builders are, like Cullum Homes or David Weekly Homes, versus just the lead aggregators or the website people like House and Home Advisor, Angie's List. So these people are just collecting data and collecting leads. But you're bidding against them, so it's good to know. We can take a look. There's more advertisers than that, so you can see how many total advertisers there are. So there's a lot of people bidding on only one keyword. Some of these might be real builders, so they're not that prominent. You know, here's a construction entity probably. I think this is one also. And then you can see who the competitions are. But let's close that. Let's go again. Let's look at the table. Now here's a lot of the power. Here's all the builders. You can sort these. You can even export this data and look at it on your own in a spreadsheet. You can sort by keywords. There's only one location, only Phoenix. Here, ads count. So this is where you get the prominence. Who's getting the most, who's bidding on the most keywords, and who's bidding the strongest and getting their most shows of their ad, the most displays of their ad, winning the actual competitions. So you can see here like David Wheatley 46 times, Lexar Home only 16 times. And one of the powers of this is the filters. We can take a look at this. The URLs field is where you select individual advertisers to filter and only look at their ads and their data. Over here you have keywords. We can filter by specific keywords and see who's building on individual keywords. And then here, ad copy. Let's take a look at that one. For instance, I don't know, let's try something. Let's look at who is promoting green, energy efficient type of stuff. Let's filter. And we see that only 2 bidders, 2 advertisers are bidding on that. Let's take a look at one of them, Lexar Homes. Now here's the ads, and we're on Lexar, so only Lexars are shown for at the top section here. And you can see, yep, there's green in the title. When we come down, so green's down here. They have green in the text, body text of the ad. Now here's the competitor ads. We can see they're also green. Building green. Land and Sea Home. So this is more of a, not a real builder probably, but a data aggregator or a lead generator entity. These guys are the dominant ones we saw in the top, so they're the ones coming up the most often. But what you can do here, another powerful thing, is look at this detail of the ad. Any way you filter it, you look at what their ads are, and you can see, like, let's go up to the one that we filtered on. We have reimagined the home building process by reducing its impact on the environment. So they're focused on green here for the green word, so that's a good one. But when you do this, and let's say you haven't filtered on green, but you're just looking at the ads in general for home builders, you can do a lot with this. For instance, maybe you learn that people are not using curiosity. If you try to inject curiosity in some of your body copy, you're more likely to get some click-throughs. Maybe they're not using scarcity. Maybe if you incorporate some scarcity into this, like something you're doing this week only, you'll have an edge, because this is all people have to go by that are clicking on these ads, what they read right here. So the words matter. Things like curiosity and scarcity, if others aren't promoting, don't have that type of approach, you're going to be able to win more prospects to click on your ads. Another thing to consider is the buyer's journey, meaning that not all people look at it keying in these keywords in Google are at the same stage of where they're at. Are they ready to buy now? Are they ready to make a move? Or are they early in their journey and they're just trying to learn what criteria and they're going to use to set who they're going to go with, who they're going to pick to build a custom home. So there you have different content related to, is somebody early on where you may offer, hey, I'm going to help you learn how to make a good choice when building a custom home builder, versus the person that's closer to the bottom, ready to buy, ready to act now. There's more of a reason to give offers in here to actually, tell them what you can do special for them if they act this week, type of thing. So I hope you found that helpful, and if you have any interest in learning more about running an ad for your market, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.